Hi, good morning. First here. Sige, so the second pain point is designing the appropriate methodology. I'm sure you have already a title in mind from the previous method that I taught you, which is the finer method. I have already provided the prompt using ChatGPT AI para it would be easier for you to identify at least a list of initial studies that you can look into. And from there, we will proceed with designing the appropriate methodology. But before we proceed with the actual designing of the methods that you're going to use, you have to break the title first according to what we call the PICO framework. PICO, P-I-C-O. Ayan, so the PICO framework is very easy to remember. 4 letters lang, P-I-C-O. P for population. What problem or condition are you investigating? I, ibig sabihin intervention, what exposure or treatment you're going to give to your patient in order to see that effect later on. And C, for control. That is where you're going to compare your intervention to a gold standard or a standard quality of care. And O, for outcome. This is where you're going to measure kung ano yung gusto mong tingnan at the end of the day. Whether or not yung particular objective mo is na-achieve ba or wala. And since you're able to identify all the PICO variables already in your study, the next logical step is to find the actual appropriate research design for your study. Huh? So hindi pa pala tapos, sir? Hindi pa, kasi nga research eh. But I have provided an optimized AI prompt for you para mas matulungan kayo with your concern on research. And if you have any other frameworks na effective na natutunan nyo sa school that you'd like to share, please do comment down below so that we can include them sa mga future videos natin. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga nakinig at nanood ng video na ito, I'd like to thank you for your time and hopefully nakatulong po sa inyong lahat dito. And I hope you continue to support me with my videos. Again, thank you very much sa inyong suporta. Please do support me by liking and sharing this to people that you know baka makatulong din naman. So again, thank you sa inyong time. This is first, your statistician nga Kugihan. All the way. Bye-bye.